Hello everyone, this is Lovita. So our topic for today is how to impress the HR. So there are mainly two things which you have to remember. First is the exterior part of you, and next one is the interior part of you. Interior part is your mindset, whereas the exterior part is how do you look, how do you behave, how do you present yourself. So when it comes to the interior part, firstly you have to prepare yourself well. Like start with the questions which are commonly asked in the interviews. You can make a list of the questions and you have to practice it thoroughly so that if in case it is asked you can answer it easily. Then you do not take things lightly. The main thing is you take things seriously, because it often happens like you may be late for the interview or you do not sleep well one night before the interview. So you have to take things seriously and be prepared. Then you have to be on time. Be on time means you have to be before the time. You have to arrive like for half an hour before the interview starts, so that you can adjust yourself, you can make yourself comfortable to that place. Then we come to the exterior part of it, like how do you present yourself, how do you look. First thing is you have to dress up properly. Like you should not overdo things, you do not overdo your makeup, you do not overdo your clothes or anything. You have to be simple. That makes a good impression. Then you can ask for permission to sit when you enter the room. Like it is often said that when you ask any favor or help to others, the opposite person tend to like you automatically. This makes a good impression on you. And finally, the most important thing to remember is you have to be straight. You have to put your thoughts and ideas in a straight way, and while putting your ideas and thoughts, you do not offend the other person, the opposite person. You have to be genuine and honest.